Hi, let's solve next previous question of 3. It was asked in 2015 set 1. It is a 1 mark question. So let's read the question. The height of a tree is the length of the longest route to leaf path in it. The maximum and minimum number of node in the binary tree of height 5 are, so 4 options are given. So actually there are direct formula. You can just put height there and you can find. So I already discussed in binary tree introduction lecture that how to find maximum number of node and how to find minimum number of node if height is given. So we'll just use that. So maximum number of node in a binary tree of height h is 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. Just remember this formula. So 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. So h is given 5. 2 power 5 plus 1 minus 1, that is 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 is 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. So next, minimum number of node in a binary tree of height h is h plus 1. It may be left skew or right skew tree. So that will be h plus 1. So it is 5 plus 1, that is 6. So now just check in option where this is present 63 and 6. It is present in option A. So answer is A. So 63 is the maximum number of node and 6 is the minimum number of node of a binary tree height 5. So answer is A. Thank you.